चले आज बेटा आप लोग अपनी सीट पे बैठ गए।
I am talking about rural life. So what is rural life? Let us discuss briefly about rural life. So here is a brief model about rural life. There are some traditions and cultures of rural life. There are children, they are actively participated in it. They are from grade 1 and they are setting something about the rural life. Here is a brief model about rural life. There are traditions and cultures. Rural life means to work actively and hardworking in the environment and quiet and deep. There are some crops grown from the rural life. The crops are grown very actively and smoothly. There is a brief beautiful model about rural life. There is a village in which animals and birds are here. There are houses in the rural life. There are trees and water about here. Thank you.
I'm the student of the Educators Marathon Camp. Today, I am going to introduce the model, the activity of the grade 2 class. First, I am going to introduce the statue that is important for the people, for the work. Now, we are going to introduce post office that is important for people that live in abroad. Now, we are going to introduce the parlor that is important for ladies. Now, I am going to introduce that the school that is important for students for their better future, and the hospitals that is important for the people that are injured. Now, the stadium that is for our team that plays cricket for the for Pakistan. Now we are going the other side. The mosque that is for Muslims for the prayers and other things. Now the third thing that is our hospitals, schools, that everything is important for us. Some advantages of city life is such as some advantages of city life that is a playground for students to play cricket, etc. things for children, for ice cream corners for children for play for ice cream, play with toys, playing with any other things. So now this is our rural city life for all the people. I hope you will enjoy. Thank you.
Our school has arranged an activity for the younger students. This beautiful project here is made by the class KG. We are gathered here and we have gathered all the students here so that the students can become aware about the benefits and different advantages of forests, so that they can become aware of what a blessing forests actually are. Forest has major components, for example, ponds, rivers, etc. Here we have a pond. A pond has many different kinds of species in it, for example, turtles. There are also different kinds of plants in them, for example, different kinds of mosses, ferns, etc. There are also different kinds of birds living in the ponds, contrary to popular belief. For example, you can see the flamingo over here on the edge. Next, we shall study the living area of lions. Lions are the natural predators of the forest. They usually hunt in packs and they usually live in dens, such as shown here. Next, we shall enter the inner depths of the jungle. There are different kinds of mammals living here. For example, you can see the deers, gazelles, different kinds of reptiles here. There are also different kinds of tropical plants, vines, ferns. There are also different kinds of mammals found here, like chimpanzees, monkeys, etc. Hyenas, wolves. Reptiles are also natural hunters. Like you can see here, snakes, which is hunting after a lizard. We have different kinds of gorillas. Giraffes may seem large, but they're actually very gentle creatures. And they are naturally herbivores, so they pose no threat to the other animals. Zebras here are also naturally peaceful animals, and they are also herbivores. There are more tropical plants and different kinds of birds here. Here we have different kinds of plants. There we have different kinds of plants. We have tigers, which are another natural predator of the wild. Bees are an extremely dangerous component of the jungle because they are extremely wild and their stings can kill a person instantly. Project arranged by the educator's small town campus, for example the forest, city life, and traffic safety has been arranged so that the students can become aware of their surroundings and the environment in which they live in, so that they can become mature and in the future life act accordingly. Road safety is an extremely important component of human life, which ensures that the humans lead their lives with safety.